How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply connect your VS Code with Salesforce. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the extension tab of VS Code, and then you want to get the Salesforce CLI, and then you also want to grab the Salesforce extension pack. Now, to create yourself the file, you want to type the following right here, which is this specific character, and then type create project with manifest. From there, it will then allow you to choose one of the projects. So in my case, I'm going to be choosing standard. In here, you can then name your project the way you want to. So let's just name it example. Choose where you want to save your file. Click on save. And then once again, you could save it right here. And then here we have it. And now that we have our project created, as you can see, we have all of our files that we could locate right here. To finally connect it onto our Salesforce org, you then want to type the following command. So once again, it's going to be the same thing. And now you could also click on the no default org set right here, which will then basically allow you to open up your browser, and then from there you can log in your org account. So in my case, I'm going to be typing open or authorized org right here. So we have the Authorize Org using session IV. In my case, I'm going to be selecting this one, and it will actually enter the URL right here. So you could just click on enter after pasting the session ID, and from there you will be connected. Or if you have used the other one, which is to authorize an org, in here you have the ability to select one of the orgs that you could connect into. So I'm going to be selecting project default. In here, I'm just going to click enter, and then from there, it will open our org right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.